Good morning students. How are you all? So in last class we all have learned input, output and processing. So in this class we will compare hardware and software. We will compare these two devices. So you all are ready? Okay, let's begin. So students, in last class we all have discussed about input, output and processing. So from that we all have learned different type of devices and the function. So here I have given you one example, that is keyboard, and keyboard function is typing. So you all have to write this table in your rough notebook. You all have to write all the devices and the function. Example, microphone. So microphone is used to record the sound. So like that you all have to write all the devices and function. So we are going to learn storage device. You all know, you all are kept your clothes in your cupboard, wardrobe. So in computer we can store our information in storage device, and we will learn different type of storage. So first is hard disk. Without hard disk, computer cannot run. Computer has a hard disk. It is a main storage device where all the data kept. This is the picture of hard disk. Then after, CD and DVD. CD is a compact device which used to store data, but not lot of data. It store only less amount of data. Then after, DVD. DVD stands for digital versatile disk. It can store more information from CD. It take more space. Then after, you all know pen drive. Pen drive is a storage device in small in size. We can carry it anywhere, and we can put the pen drive in USB. This is the USB port where we can put our pen drive. I wish I knew a Blu-ray disc BD can store about 5 times more than data DVD. So one type of disc is there, DVD like Blu-ray. It store more and more devices data in DVD. So after storage device, we all have learned about hardware. We all have learned about hardware. How hardware means the parts which we can touch, like keyboard, monitor, CPU, hard disk. But there is different thing. Without software also the computer does not work. Only machine will be there and no electricity will be there, then the machine will work? No. So we need software. So software is an opposite of hardware. That software can perform a task. Only software like Paint program, WordPad, Microsoft Word. So these all are software that we cannot touch. Only we can feel and only we can use it. Okay? Now we are going to discuss types of software. Software has two types, that is system software and application software. System software is a manager, means example, if school does not have teacher and principal, so school will learn? No, school will not run. So like that, computer has a system software. You all know when you are switching on your mobile or computer or laptop, you all have seen Microsoft, Windows, Android, Apple. So these all are operating system. So operating system are an example of system software that controls all the work of the computer. But what is application software? Application software means the particular task, the specific work done by a software. Example, Paint program. So Paint program will do only paint up drawing. Games, we can play only games. Video, we can only play a video. So you all have learned about system and application software. So students, now we are going to link our chapter with these questions. You all have to find out who am I. The first is question, I am the brain of computer. You all know CPU. I give you output on a paper, printer. So likewise you all have to write the answers in your application book, sorry, course book. I am a output device that display picture. I perform arithmetic and logical calculation. A storage device present inside the CPU box. I can store many movies for you. So you have to do this. So students, the main points of this chapter we all have explored already. Is we are going to recall that uses of computer. So we all have learned how computers are used, right, at home, shops, schools. Then after we all have learned characteristics of computer. Characteristics means the feature, the speed, the accuracy, the multitasking work. Then after we all have learned input, output and storage devices. We all have learned different type of devices: microphone, keyboard, CPU, printer, hard disk, mouse, CD, pen drive. So we all have learned different type of devices. Then after we have differentiate hardware and software. Hardware, the things which we can touch and feel, and software that we given instructions to the set of program and it perform a task for all us. I hope you all have understood what I have teach you today. So you all have to complete the task what I have given you in this video. Okay, be safe, stay home. Bye students.